Welcome to Exam Sales video on the Dell Data Domain Specialist for Implementation Engineers exam syllabus. This video will cover the domains, topics, and what you can expect to learn. Let's get started. The exam consists of 7 domains, each covering a specific topic. The domains and their respective weights are Advanced Analytics, Theory, Application, and Interpretation of Results for Regression, 15%, Advanced Analytics, Theory, Application, and Interpretation of Results for Classification, 15%, Advanced Analytics, Theory, Application, and Interpretation of Results for Clustering, 15%, Advanced Analytics, Technologies and Tools, 15%, Initial Analysis of the Data, 15%, Advanced Analytics, Theory, Application, and Interpretation of Results for Association Rules, 13%, and Data Analytics Life Cycle, 12%. Domain 1, Advanced Analytics, Theory, Application, and Interpretation of Results for Regression is all about the application of linear and logistic regression models to solve business problems. You'll learn about hypothesis testing for individual predictors, interpreting p-values and r-squared values, modeling and evaluating model assumptions, normalizing and scaling variables, residual analysis and diagnostics, and multiple linear regression implementation. You'll also learn about logit function and odds ratio calculation, interpreting coefficients in a logistic model, model evaluation using deviance and AIC, receiver operating characteristic curves, area under the curve metrics, and predicting categorical outcomes. Domain 2, Advanced Analytics, Theory, Application, and Interpretation of Results for Classification is focused on implementing supervised learning algorithms for classification and evaluating accuracy via confusion matrices. You'll learn about decision trees, splitting criteria, information gain, and pruning strategies to avoid overfitting. You'll also learn about the naive Bayes algorithm, Bayes theorem application in classification, independence assumptions, handling categorical and continuous predictors, confusion matrix interpretation, and calculating precision, recall, and measure. Domain 3, Advanced Analytics, Theory, Application, and Interpretation of Results for Clustering is all about unsupervised learning techniques, with a focus on partitioning methods and optimal cluster selection. You'll learn about k-means clustering, defining centroid-based clustering, the k-means algorithm iteration process, choosing the value of k using the elbow method, Euclidean and Manhattan distance measures, data scaling requirements for clustering, and evaluating within cluster sum of squares. Domain 4, Advanced Analytics, Technologies and Tools is all about the big data ecosystem focusing on distributed storage and processing frameworks. You'll learn about Hadoop and MapReduce, HDFS architecture, the MapReduce programming model, Yarn resource management, Hadoop ecosystem tools, and distributed computing advantages. You'll also learn about in-database analytics, SQL and PLR integration for analytics, MATLAB for scalable in-database algorithms, handling large-scale data without extraction, massively parallel processing architecture, and performance benefits of in-database modeling. Domain 5, Initial Analysis of the Data is all about exploratory data analysis, EDA, and data manipulation using the R programming language. You'll learn about the R ecosystem, R data structures, importing and exporting data in R, basic descriptive statistics in R, data visualization using Bayes graphics and Plot2, cleaning and transforming data with R, calculating mean, median, and standard deviation, explaining variance and correlation, visualizing distributions with histograms and box splits, identifying outliers and missing data, and verifying data quality and integrity. Domain 6, Advanced Analytics, Theory, Application, and Interpretation of Results for Association Rules is all about mining frequent attempts and generating association rules for market basket analysis. You'll learn about the a priori algorithm, market basket analysis concepts, defining support, confidence, and lift, the a priori property and pruning attempts, candidate generation and frequency counting, interpreting association rules for business value, and evaluation of rule strength and validity. Domain 7, Data Analytics Life Cycle is all about the phases of the structured approach to solving data science problems. You'll learn about the different phases, including discovery and business requirements, data preparation and ETL, model planning, model building, communicating results, and operationalizing the model. You'll also learn about the key roles involved in the data analytics life cycle. This concludes our video on the Dell Data Domain Specialist for Implementation Engineers exam syllabus. We hope this video helped you understand the topics covered on the exam and what you can expect to learn.